How to fix no pin post option in Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to fix no pin post option in Facebook profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, why the pin option is missing. So Facebook hides pin to profile when you're using professional mode account. The post isn't eligible, the app is outdated or bugged, or if you're trying to pin from the activity log. And with that, moving forward to the fixes. So here, fix number one, that is to turn off the professional mode. So here what you can do is simply open the Facebook, and now here once you're inside you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here once you are in your profile section, then what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here once you are in the profile settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you'll see the professional mode off option. So as of right now I haven't enabled it, but if you have, then here you will see the option labeled as turn off professional mode. So there you can simply tap on it and restart Facebook, and you can try pinning the post again. And with that, moving forward to the fix number two, that is to make sure that the post is pin eligible. So here in the Facebook, you can pin text post, photo post, and videos post. But here you cannot pin reels, shared posts, memories, or live events. So you can try creating a new original post and then pin it. And with that, moving forward to the fix number three, that is to pin from the post menu. So here if you want to pin something, then what you can do is simply open the post directly, and after that you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of that post, and from there you can simply tap on the option labeled as pin post, and there you can just tap on it to pin it on your profile section. And with that, moving forward to the fix number four, that is to update and clear the app glitches. So here what you can do is just open the Play Store, and now here once you are inside, then what you can do is simply search for the Facebook app, and there if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the Facebook to the latest version. And with that, if you want to clear cache, then what you can do is just long press on the Facebook app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here once you are inside the app settings, then what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.